iPhone 3G and 3GS screen replacement instructions. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to get your tool, your eye tool with the suction cup on it, and a refrigerator magnet if you have one. It helps to keep these screws all together so you don't lose any of them. I find it a little easier to use the eye tool for a screwdriver if you take the suction cup off of it, so I'm going to do that first. First, what you're going to want to do is take the bottom screws off of the iPhone. There's two of them, one right here and one right here. After you remove the two bottom screws, what you want to do is put your suction cup back on your tool and place it near the home button at the bottom of the iPhone, in the center. Then you're going to want to grab the iPhone from the bezel down and slowly pull up on the tool, separating the faceplate from the inside of the iPhone. After you do that, go ahead and remove the suction cup from the face and set the tool aside. Then you want to slowly open the iPhone up. You don't want to open it too far because there are a few ribbon cables connected. After you open it up, go ahead and remove ribbon cable number 1. It is the one on top. It's labeled ribbon number 1. Then you're going to want to remove ribbon number 2, also labeled. Then after you remove that connector, there is a little white clip. On some models they are black with a white retainer. This specific one is white. You want to go ahead and lift that little clip up. After you lift that little clip up, you can go ahead and just slide the ribbon cable out from the connector, and the screen is away from the iPhone. Go ahead and set your iPhone aside. And to take this apart, there's the LCD on the back here. There's 6 screws holding that in. There's one right here, one under the tape right here, and one under the tape over here. There's one over here, one over here, and there's one more on the top up here in the right hand corner at the top of the screen. After you remove those 6 screws, the LCD, if you pull outwards like this, out on the mid frame, you just want to lightly pry it apart like that, and the LCD should just pop out of it. After you pop that out of it, you want to slide it down because the clip up here, this last screw that you take out, actually holds it in downward. So you want to lift up on the bottom of the LCD and pull it this way. Now after you take that out, basically all that's left is the mid-frame and the glass attached to the mid-frame. What you want to do is very slowly pry the glass off of the mid-frame. Also keep in mind that if your glass is shattered, if there are cracks and little chunks of glass left on the mid-frame, you want to have some sort of protection on your eyes because occasionally little shards will fly off, and that can be dangerous. After you remove the old glass, basically all you'll have left is this mid-frame right here. And you'll want to remove all of the old adhesive and install the new adhesive before you install the new digitizer. After you install the new digitizer, you can go ahead and just replace the LCD. After that's all done, then you just want to go ahead and install this back onto the phone in reverse process of what we took it apart.